Today I wanted to share with you how to link a Google form to an image inside your Google Slide presentation. So we're going to start by inserting an image. I'm going to pick one from my computer. You can choose one from the internet. Either way is fine. So we are going to open up the Google Form quiz. And in order to link the quiz correctly to your Google Slide presentation, you need to make sure that you are sending this and getting the link that way. Because if you just copy the link as it is now in edit mode, the students will open up this and then they will start trying to request access. And that's not what we want from them. We want them to actually take the quiz. So you will click on send, and then you will click this link in the middle. I like to shorten my URL. You're going to copy it. Then we're going to go back to our presentation. You are going to click and make sure your image is selected. We are going to insert a link, and then you will paste your link and click apply. And so if the students have it in present mode, they will be able to click this link right here, and as you can see, it opens up for them to take the quiz and not edit it. So the same thing happens if they were to have the Google Slide presentation in present mode. They would click on the image and it would open up the quiz for them to take it.